Okay, quick and dirty of it is we're on a bit of a hold on a lot of this stuff. The steel frame's on hold because it won't fit in my powder coating oven, so I was hoping to just get that in, do it, and build the bike. That's not happening. The Ducati ended up having bent intake valves, so Greg just found some, the guy that used to own Cafe Racer and this bike, so he's got those ready. Need to do fork seals on the RM125. The Joplin ZX6 I just ordered fuel rail for because that was bent, so all that stuff's kind of on hold. The red ZX6 from the KC tow lot have a bunch of electrical issues, so I do have an extra wiring harness. We will get that thrown on, but it's 18 degrees out and I am just out of space, so I'm not going to work outside today. There's some water, all right. Also, we just got the neutral switch in for our R6S here. Actually, two of them technically, because the other one had an issue, and when I pulled this one for that, it still didn't work. So the new one worked on that one, so I just went ahead and got a replacement for this as well, because that's all stripped to bare metal, getting powder coated. So looks like we've got a 5-minute break here, and we're gonna run up to St. Joe today and help Chris redo the top end on his 2022 CRF250r. So this is Honda going back to the dual overhead cam in their 250 model. The 450 still the single overhead cam or unicam, whatever you want to call it, that they've always had, which is great. He's got a manual, so we've got all of our torque specs. They'll pop up on the screen when you need them, and it'll just kind of walk you through all the little like tight positioning type deals that we were messing with, because it's a little finicky. I'm not going to get into like taking the seat off and stuff, because if you can't do that, you should probably not even be doing your piston yourself. So sorry, but we'll just get down to the head, start there, and then get back there, and then there's all the little plugins around it. You should be able to figure out. Biggest things that I'm probably not going to highlight in the video are just keeping the opening to the crankcase clogged, filled, capped, or whatever at all times, so nothing falls down in there, because if it does, you'll just get lost. And then always keeping tension on the cam chain, because if it comes off that crankshaft on the bottom, you're really going to be in for it trying to wiggle it back on, or you'll just have to take everything off and pull the stator. So that's not fun, so just always keep tension on that. I think we just used like a little baling wire and just retightened it every time, and that's kind of where two people helps, keeping tension on it as you're doing stuff and you're using both hands, feeding it up through the head and all that cylinder and stuff. So here we go. Thanks for watching. same degree, you know.